know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear.
Hey guys, it's Posh K Beauty once again with the same shirt. How are you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a video today on me unboxing my DIOR DWAY slides, and this is the box that it comes in. Thumbnail. Alright guys, so I have here a new pair of shoes. I know the last unboxing I did was really quick. This one's about to be even quicker because I feel like with shoes, it's not a lot that needs to be shown, and not a lot of things that needs to be showcased. In terms of sizing, this was a pain in the butt to get, by the way. Because with European sizing, you kind of have to try on everything because nothing fits the same. I'm really a size 37.5, sometimes 8, and everything runs differently. Like my Chanel espadrilles, that's a 39. Like, why would that be a 39? I don't know, but it's a 39. So you have to really try on everything. Just try to go to the store, try it on. Even within brands, depending on the shoe, it's never going to be the same. So always go into a designer store like Saks, Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus, and see if they have it so you can try it on before purchasing anything, because you don't want that type of headache, you know? Even if you have to wait a little bit, don't chance it because you're spending your hard-earned money. These are $1,000 items, $700,000 items, not $30. So make sure you go in and try on the item. So let's get into the unboxing. So I got this in the gray stone color. The price on the box is $730. That's kind of crazy because I remember when this slide was $675 or in the 600 range, right? So I got it in a size 38.5 because the 38 was way too small. So let's start with the unboxing. All right, so when you first, and before I start with the unboxing, let me just add on, I had to order these. I purchased them originally, they couldn't fit, I had to return them. Ordered them, it took about a week to get, so it took a while for me to get it, but it's okay, I have the ones I actually wanted. So let's start with the unboxing. So when you first open the box, you see here a dust bag, which I love. I never use dust bags to put my shoes in, but I always use it for other things like makeup. So you get two, which is really good. You get two dust bags that says DIOR on it. You guys can see it. It says DIOR. I got a little tag that says DIOR in here. I guess, so this is the authenticity card, which normally comes in the boxes, or a bag if you ever purchase a bag. So let's start with me unraveling this tissue paper. So here, my beautiful sandals. This is them. Cannot wait to wear it, even though summer is about to be done. I will get a wear out of them before it is. So this is what they look like when you take out the other pair. So here's what they look like. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So on the bottom they have the leather insole. I believe this is called the insole. It has DIOR, the size made in Italy. And what is really cool about these slides is they normally come in like really cool geometric shapes and patterns. It says DIOR, Christian Dior on the sole of it, the insole. And it comes with different pattern. And this is all leather. which is really good, so I'm sure it's going to be durable. But this is fabric on top. This is again what it looks like. It's a beautiful shoe. I did see some reviews saying that they are a pain when walking. I haven't felt that when I tried it on in the store, so we'll only see how bad it hurts when I'm walking in them. But this is the shoe. I kind of want to show you guys a preview of it on my foot. So yeah, that's what I think I'll do. And you can see they fit perfectly, right? They fit so perfect. I love it. Let me wait for it to focus. Focus on my toes. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you could kind of like see the little pattern in the slide. It's so beautiful. All right, so that was my unboxing for today, my D-Way slides. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.